Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add products to your collection. So let's start. First, I just already click on collection and I'm going to create now. So let's just write here, I know a summer collection. Just rods, put your free dots and we can just easily save it. And then you have to write some description. You can select here conditions, then tap on this save. We have it now. Now I'm going to click on all products here. I'm going to click on my product and you will find it here collections. And then we have to go for this collection, click on this summer collection. And now you just have to select these things like all conditions, any condition, product must match. So you have to select these things, contains, and then click on save. Now we should be able to see. So it's really important what conditions you have. So all products here, and now as you can see we got automatically to summer collection. So really if you don't see it here, like if you don't see the collection, you messed up something with your conditions. This is the only way why it's not working. You need to really be careful about like what are the titles. Go to the product title, does it have summer in it? Yes, just be careful of your conditions. So that kind of it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.